Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a monochrome shader effect. For that I have set up my scene, which is a RPG FPS game asset that I have downloaded from the asset store using the package manager now. Okay, so now you have set up your camera. All we need to do is we need to have a C# script and an image effect shader. Okay, it's taking a while. Create shader, image effect shader, and we'll name it monochrome. So let's quickly go and start creating our effect. So through the script, we take a shader as an input, which is given to the material. Now let's quickly do a check here that if the monochrome shader is null, we disable the script and return. Otherwise, uh, monochrome material, sorry, we create a new material from the shader that we have as a parameter, monochrome shader. Now all we need to do is on render image function we have to apply our image effect using graphics.blit. Now this will take in the source, render texture, and blit it to the destination using the effects that we apply in the monochrome material. So now that's done. All we need to do is we need to quickly go and check the monochrome shader that we have created. This monochrome shader is a basic from Unity, hence this basic shader that as a preset we get will invert the colors right here. So if I hit the play button, but before that we have to apply the monochrome script and provide it the monochrome shader. Now if I hit the play button, it should invert the colors of the pixel because it's 1 minus RGB. Okay, so I'm not connected to my power source at this moment, so sorry for the delay and the noise outside. But anyways, now that we are done and the shader is working, all we are concerned about is with the value of that image. So pixel by pixel we get the value and project it on the screen. For that I have already written a RGB to HSV function. I've used some help from the internet and all to get this function up and ready for you, and this is placed in Unity under the includes folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this um, what do we say, color to HSV. Okay, using this function. It takes in three arguments. One is color.red, the red value, the blue value, oh sorry, the green value, and the blue value. Now once that is done, if I return the third parameter of the HSV output float 3, it is RGB. So B basically will be the value for your shader. Now if you quickly check, it is supposed to return the value. Okay, RGB to HSV is not perfect. Yeah, so we did not include the CG includes, so my bad, it has to be under the includes cg func.cginc. Now how do I get the name? Simple, it is name of the file itself, and then if we just run it, okay, perfect, let's quickly wait. Yeah, we have the value now. Now the only thing that I would like to do to enhance this is get a float value from the user, and all we are going to do with this is going to pass it to the material or the shader. Sorry, it is set float. I'm going to create a parameter named underscore monochrome value and provide the monochrome value to it. Now the thing is, what we're going to do with this float is just a simple change in the power of the value. Okay, so when I say that I want to just change the or power up the pixels, you're quickly going to see here when we start it's going to be a pretty odd kind of an effect because we are going to power it up with 0. But once we change this value, you will see that the monochrome effect strikes in. So you can go to any of the monochrome values, and just be careful of what effect you want or what values you're putting it. Okay, so this is a good one, 0.75, and it is a monochrome shader for you. Thank you for watching.